Hello guys, welcome back to yet another review video. In this video we'll review Oxygen OS Open Beta 6 for OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro. And we'll be covering all the major aspects like battery backup, gaming performance and camera improvement. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here I have my OnePlus 8 which is running on the latest version of Oxygen OS Open Beta 6 based on Android 11. And now it's been long time that OnePlus have rolled out Android 11 for OnePlus 8 series. Also we don't get to see much of bugs. And now Android 11 Open Beta builds are pretty stable and can be used as daily driver. We don't have much things to be covered as I couldn't find any major bugs in my past 2 days usage. Also I went through our previous video of Open Beta 6 comments to check whether you guys are facing any issues or not. And one thing which I forgot to mention in the previous video, and one of our user mentioned that in the comment section, that OnePlus have added this watermark option. I'm not sure whether it was available on the previous update. We also had few comments asking about whether we have the option to switch between Google Feed and OnePlus Switch. So yes, on OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro, we have this option to switch between Google Feed and OnePlus Shelf. And trust me guys, performance of Open Beta 6 is pretty great. There are no lags to be seen while using the device. I'll be also testing out the stable version of Oxygen OS which is 11.0.4.4. On the previous update, most users reported about System UI not responding few times. But till now, with my usage, I haven't faced any kind of issues related to System UI not responding. Also, there were slight jitters used to be seen while scrolling down the notification panel, but that has been taken care by OnePlus. And most of the users are still facing issues with wideband security level. Few users have security level as L3. I'm not sure exactly what's the issue, but if you guys are running global firmware, then I would recommend you guys to switch to Indian firmware, because I'm using Indian firmware and I have the security level as L1. On the previous build, few users also reported that they have issues while swiping up when any YouTube video is being played. But on this build, I don't find any kind of issues related to swiping up or minimizing the YouTube application. Previous builds I also found issues related to OnePlus Buds. While playing games, my OnePlus Buds used to disconnect after every 30 seconds. But that has been taken care by OnePlus on this latest update, and now I don't find any kind of issues while playing game if I'm connected with my OnePlus Buds. If you guys are still facing that issue, make sure to update the firmware of your OnePlus Buds. So guys, as I said, I did not find much of bugs on my OnePlus 8 running Oxygen OS Open Beta 6. Now let's take a look at the camera samples. There is no doubt OnePlus have done slight improvements related to camera segment. I am satisfied with the picture quality when pictures are clicked in good lighting condition. Also, front camera and back camera does a great job when it comes to portrait mode. Edge detection and the background effect is pretty great. And my OnePlus 8 also does a great job when it comes to nightscape mode. I also got a comment regarding video quality of Super Steady mode, and user said there is lots of noise while recording video in Super Steady mode, but that's not the case. Here we have the sample of video recorded in Super Steady mode and in normal mode, and I personally don't find any kind of difference in the video quality. Just make sure if you're recording videos in Super Steady mode, either to switch on flash or record Super Steady video in good lighting condition. So overall I am satisfied with the camera performance on Open Beta 6. Now talking about the battery backup on Open Beta 6, here we have the graph of 3 battery cycles. With first cycle I got 3 hours and 42 minutes with extreme gaming. Again with extreme gaming I got 3 hours and 43 minutes of screen on time. And with third cycle I got 3 hours of screen on time. And all these battery backups are with extreme gaming. And I've also seen around 6 to 8% of battery drain overnight. And that's a decent one. So there are no issues with the battery backup on Open Beta 6. Last but not the least, let's also talk about the performance part. When it comes to performance, no doubt performance is pretty great, but I have seen slight higher usage of memory compared to Open Beta 5. On Open Beta 5, memory usage never went above 5.5 GB, but here you can see my device is almost consuming 7 GB out of 12 GB. On Open Beta 5, I also had slight issues related to gyroscope while playing PUBG. But after this update, there are no issues related to gyroscope and device easily maintains 90 FPS with higher graphics settings. Here's a small gameplay you can watch if you want to. So guys, this was a quick review of Oxygen OS Open Beta 6 for OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro. And if you guys haven't received this update, download links can be found in the description below. You can easily use this update as a daily driver. So that's it in today's video. Hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. Also, if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.